We back, baby. We back. Stanley's back. Tell you what, man. Stanley's neck's hurting a little bit. Anyways, DynoJet, super kind of them to give us a Powervision 3, so we're going to install this thing on the Turbo S. Stay tuned. Wow. Can you focus, please? Thank you. So, Powervision 3, 16 to 19 Polaris RZR XPT. So, one thing that I'm going to be able to do with this, once all said and done, is I will be able to use this to install my tunes on the 19 Turbo S, and I will also use this same module to install my tunes onto the 14 XP1000. Only thing is I have to install my tunes first on the Turbo S. So let's get the box opened and see what it's got. Oh, sweet. I'm guessing it pops out. Check that out. Sweet. It's got a little USB dongle here. Another data connector hookup. In the box, it's got, I'm assuming that there's our data cable. The USB. We got our installation guide for a Polaris. I don't have fingernails. DynoJet stickers. 2 pieces of Velcro. Your limited warranty card. And an alcohol pad for cleaning the surface. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty surprised that this is literally, that's all it is. No power cable, no. That's it. It's gonna be an easier video than I thought. Win for me, baby. Alright, so we got our thing hooked up to our diagnostic port. We just have to put our hood back on. Next thing we're gonna do is we're going to mount this somewhere on the dash. I'm not quite sure yet. Maybe we'll come up with something down here. I don't know, we'll figure something out. Alright, so we got this thing mounted up. Now what we're going to do is turn the key on and I guess go from there. I'll get back with you when I'm done. Alright guys, so flash forward today and we got everything installed into the Turbo S. It was the easiest thing I've ever done. You literally hook up one end of the cable to the data plug-in up front. You run it through the firewall and up to your dash. And it's literally that simple. You turn the key on, follow the on-screen prompts, select your tune. It'll be confusing because all the tunes are just numbered, but if you actually click on it and scroll through the instructions, it'll tell you what it's made for. If it's made for, you know, upping the boost or anything like that. If your machine only has stock parameters, then you know you choose one of the lower ones, but then it goes all the way up through the full exhaust upgrades and intake upgrades and everything as well, and those are all pre-programmed onto the unit. I'm going to be doing a little bit of